everybody, we are back once again with our yearly 12 fiber gifts of Christmas, and of course I have the first one here in this box, so I won't make you wait. We'll just knock some walls around and see what we have inside. Ta-da! These little girls are so cute. I love them. These are little felt ornament kits, a little angel felt ornament kit, and they have jingle bells on them, which is so cute. So you actually get a lot of customization with these guys. You get your felt backing, which is the black part here, and then you get a ton of different kinds of, this is actually a fleece is what they call it. It's like a roving basically. And you can design your little dresses however you want. And then it'll also include some locks for the hair, and of course the little wooden balls for the face that you get to draw your little faces on. You can make them look however you want. So let's look at the actual kit here. Looks like this. It's a little bit crunchy, and you can see your lovely palette of colors here. So yeah, you can basically do whatever you like. There are going to be enough in here for 3 of these little ornaments, so just like the little ladies that I showed you here. So you'll have enough to make 3 of those, and you can just go wild. You can do whatever you want with them and make them look however you want. You can do kind of this almost like European classic sort of look if you want, sort of Nordic, sort of Slavic if you like. I think it's really cute. You can do them whatever cultural style you like, or totally sans any of that and just make cute designs that you think are neat. So that'll be going on sale on October 14th, and it will be 15% off. So if you want to make 3 of these cute little ladies to put on your tree, go ahead and check that out.